Hi guys! Kamusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipain na rin tayo ni bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. You know, para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react nga ako guys dito sa Filipino song Coconut by Boss Coral. First prize in Japan. Sobrang excited na ako guys na mapanood tong performance nila, kaya play na natin to. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, tara, play na natin. Wait lang. Okay, bilang tayo guys ng 3. Wait, ayusin ko muna. Okay. Hindi ako marunong gumamit ng headset. Okay, bilang tayo guys ng 1, 2, 3, go. Alright. Ito na. Ay, hindi pa pala nagpe-play. Wait lang. Wait lang, guys. Okay, play na natin.
It's the cocoa fruit. It's the
Oh, galing.
of the cocoa tree. Of the
Cute.
cocoa tree. From the cocoa palm family. There are so many uses of the coconut tree. You can build a big house for the family. All you need is to find the coconut man. If he cuts the tree, he gets the fruit free. It's the cocoa fruit. It's the
Ang galing.
of the cocoa tree, from the cocoa palm family.
Wow.
The coconut bark for the kitchen floor. If you save some of it, you can build the door. Now the
Ang galing ng
coconut
poses niya, no? Napaka-natural.
If you save some of it, you'll have second floor. Coconut root
Wow.
is very good. It can stand 20 years if you pray it would. Now the coconut root will tell you the truth. You can grow it or use it as firewood. The coconut leaves
Yes.
shade it gives for the roof, for the walls up against the door. Now the coconut root, say my relatives, make good cannonballs up against the thieves. The cocoa fruit is the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree, of the cocoa tree, from the cocoa palm family. Coconut nut is a giant nut.
Easy giant na.
Too much you get very hot. Now the coconut nut is a big, big nut, but this delicious nut is not a nut. The coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. Now the coconut nut is a big, big nut, but this delicious nut is not a nut. It's the cocoa fruit. It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree, of the cocoa tree, from the cocoa palm family. It's the cocoa fruit. It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree, of the cocoa tree,
Galing.
from the cocoa palm family. La 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 la. Ole!
Galing. Ay, grabe. Nakaka-proud naman. Napakaganda ng pagkakaawit nila, no? Grabe. Sobrang nakaka-amaze talaga. Sobrang daming mga talentadong mga Pilipino, no? Pagdating sa larangan ng pag-awit. Actually, hindi lang sa pag-awit kahit anong talento yata na inilalaban natin sa mga international. Grabe, na-amaze talaga yung mga foreigner, no? Iba naman din talaga kasi ang natin, no? Ang talento, no? Talagang kapag pinanood na, talagang ma-amaze ka eh. Ganun ang Pilipino, no? Nasa dugo natin mga Pilipino yung ganun. Saka yung parating palaban, di ba? Hindi lang sa larangan ng arts, di ba? Sa larangan din ng sports, di ba? And, yeah. Kung nagustuhan nyo to guys, bigyan ito malaking likes, mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa akin channel. You know? Bye po!